Introducing the Baseus AP02 wireless car vacuum cleaner, your ultimate solution for tackling pet hair and keeping your vehicle and home clean with ease. This powerful and portable vacuum cleaner is equipped with innovative features to ensure efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Key features: 160W high-power roller brush. The Baseus AP02 is equipped with a powerful roller brush that picks up debris easily and continuously, ensuring long-lasting and excellent vacuuming performance. This motorized roller brush provides strong suction, guaranteeing thorough cleaning without compromising efficiency. Electric rubber roller brush for pet hair. Say goodbye to pet hair, dander, and messes with ease. The electric rubber roller brush effortlessly tackles pet hair and debris, even on carpets, bedclothes, or car upholstery, without getting tangled. 1000 milliliters large capacity. With a large capacity dustbin, this vacuum cleaner is suitable for cleaning both your car and home. Its lightweight and portable design make it the perfect choice for household handheld cleaning tasks. Multiple accessories for multiple scenarios. The Baseus AP02 comes with multiple accessories to suit various cleaning needs. The crevice suction nozzle is ideal for cleaning car seat seams, floor mats, and sofa seams, while the bristle suction nozzle is perfect for cleaning keyboards, machines, window rails, car seats, and air vents. LED light for dark places. Equipped with an LED light with an independent switch, this vacuum cleaner illuminates dark corners and spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning even in low light conditions. 25-minute long battery life. With a 10,000 mAh large capacity battery, the Baseus AP02 offers up to 25 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, providing ample time for deep cleaning sessions. Denser HEPA filter and spill and leak-proof design. The denser HEPA filter significantly improves dust holding rate, locking in 99.99% of invisible particles as small as 0.3 microns to avoid secondary pollution. Additionally, the spill and leak-proof design ensures a clean and hygienic cleaning experience. Detachable and washable roller. The roller brush is easy to detach and clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and prolonging the vacuum cleaner's lifespan. Above industry standard for premium quality, Baseus vacuum cleaners have passed CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring premium quality, safety, and reliability. With its powerful suction, versatile accessories, and thoughtful design, the Baseus AP02 wireless car vacuum cleaner makes cleaning pet hair and debris a breeze, both in your car and home. Experience the ultimate cleaning performance with Baseus.